Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the web API and .NET. So basically, we will talk why we use web API over a WCF and what is the advantage of using web API. So first of all, what is a ASP.NET web API? It is basically a framework for building a HTTP service that can be consumed by different clients like mobile devices, browsers, iPhone, tablet. Web API also uses some of the features of MVC frameworks, but it is not exactly a part of MVC, but it uses some features of MVC framework. We can also use this as a standalone web service application, and Web API is a very excellent framework for exposing your data to the different clients. Like we can expose our data in JSON, XML to the mobile devices or to any web applications. So it is a globally available for all the devices and for all the platforms. One of the most benefit of web API is we do not require much configuration like unlike WCF SaaS services. It supports the CRUD services like get, post, put, delete, and we can also specify the data type like in what format we want response from the web API like in JSON or in XML. We can host a web API in the application or in IIS. Now let's see how web API works. Before that, we will just learn about the Swagger. What exactly Swagger is? So here is the site swagger.io. So basically, Swagger is a powerful open source framework backed by the large ecosystem of tools that help to design, build, document, consume your RESTful API. Means whatever we create a web API in our application, we can define the description of our web API, like what my API is doing, what my this API is either is a get, post, how data is sent through the browser to the code behind, how it is interact with uh, our web API code. Now let's see how we can install the Swagger in our Visual Studio. First of all, let's go to the get. This is a command which we need to enter in the Visual Studio. I have opened the Visual Studio. I have created one project, tools, look at package manager console. This is where we will add that command. Let's copy, let's paste here. I have already created the package, so we will get in references. See this just came from this command. Now let's see what I have done in my project. I have created one model. It has a EDMX file. It contains one table. It contains the one table TBL user with the ID, first name, last name, age, and from the Swagger we will enter the data into the database. I have also created one class HTTP response which gives the response data to the Swagger and with the HTTP meta like some information about the data whether we have successfully stored data in the database or not. We have two controllers, DB operations and user controllers. DB operations job is to just pass the information to the database. It is connected to the database, and user control is connected to the DB operation. Now let's see. I have created two methods, add user and get all user. I have created the object of entity. I have added the table object. I have made changes. In second method, I have retrieved all the user information from the database.